guys, welcome back to Tech Samadan. This is an interesting video I have made. It will be covering all the concepts which we have learned before these videos, just like loops, functions, lists, dictionaries, exception handling, typecasting. And once you would understand how this all this thing evolve a big program, then we can move towards object oriented programming. There would be new concept introduced about class and object, which are the main pillars for object oriented programming of any language. C is not an OOP. It is basically it is not following bottom to up. It is following top to down approach. It is program oriented. We can say, I guess. Yeah. So moving forward with this video, stop googling Python basics in this video. I have compiled everything you need to know about Python fundamentals in one simple code. We will cover loops, functions, lists, dictionaries, exception handling, and the typecasting, and more in an easy to understand way. By the end, you will be able to write efficient Python program with confidence. So let us dive in. So in this video, we'll learn Python basic in one video. In this video, I will cover the fundamentals of Python. So you can see here the loop, while loop, or function. So this is how we define function. I will provide description, or I will provide the uh, links for all the videos in this video itself. So if you don't know what function is, you can definitely ride over to those videos, understand the basic of the function, why we use the function, and come again to watch this video. And return values, the syntax of function, you will understand in those videos. List and dictionaries, typecasting, exception handling. So moving forward with the program. So this is a function to greet user. So what are we preparing basically? So it's in a simple code. So this is a simple code which will cover all the concept. So moving forward with the code. So here we are taking user input, which we have covered in basically second video, I guess, to take an user input. So we are get greet underscore user. So this is a function name. Ask for username and displays it. Then we can see one by one how the function works. So first one will take a user input and would display it. That is what it is asking, enter your name. I will enter my name ABC. Hello ABC, welcome to Python Basics. Now moving forward to second function which we have declared is get number, which takes user input again and converts it to float using this. So it will convert that number to float. So what is this? This is a typecasting user input to float. So we have seen typecasting, how we can change the type of one data type to other. So here if we entered 18 or say 17, it is integer. It will typecast to float. Now we need to typecast to float. So 1.2. So we need to enter two numbers here. It is asking us for two numbers, not for one number. And it will just typecast it and it will use it in the upcoming operation. And here we have done the exception handling. We are going to catch the uh, error which will cause due to a change of data type, which is nothing but the value error which we have covered in the previous video itself. Like there are different types of error: key error, value error. So this is the value error we are going to catch here. So it is inappropriate argument value it will catch. Moving forward, now here this function will cover the list operation. So a list of fruit is created. Function name is list operation defined here without parameters have been passed. We created a list of fruits, the fruits, okay. Now we are going to add some operation we perform. Now what are lists? They are mutable. We can change or we can operate anything on the list. Now we are go. So I will basically just clear here so you would understand. So here we are going to add a new fruit using append. So append, what does it seems to be? We are going to add a fruit at end. So what does it did? Basically, user adds a new fruit using append here. New fruit. And similar basis, we are going to remove a fruit. But here there is an conditional statement present. So fruits dot remove banana. We'll remove banana. If banana in fruits, else print banana not in list. So what does this statement means? We are going to remove banana if it's present in our list of fruits. Or else if it is not present, then we are going to just print that banana is not present. So no need to remove it. So we will see how does this function containing list will work. So this is the first function where user name has to be done, user input, then number we need to enter two number, which it will typecast to decimal. So see, it is typecasting it to decimal. It is doing some arithmetic operation here and typecasting it to decimal. Yeah, this. So it is typecasting to decimal. 22 plus minus into division. It is easily typecast because we have entered the integer number. Now enter a new fruit to add. We are going to append it. So definitely it is going to adding. We are going to add it at the end. These are few functions which we saw we can perform on list. So if I wanted to add mango, so see now updated fruit list apple, cherry, mango. Because it will remove this and my mango will get added at the end. Cool. Let's move forward. Fruits dot remove banana. If banana in fruits, or else print no banana. So for a time being, we will remove this program because whole program is getting run. So we are not able to understand each function how it is going to work. Okay. We'll just see what name main is not defined. So yeah, this is the main function. This is has to be there. We will remove from here. Yeah, we will run. It is going to ask me to enter the name, then two number. Now how does it doing the arithmetic operation having only this much thing defined in the function get number. So here we call. So basically we are going to call that uh, functions down the line here. So this greet user, you know greet user, this function is called. That's why it is asking us to enter our name. So this is called here. Here with get number, after entering the number, we need to perform this operation. So these are being called into the main function. That's why we are going to see all this arithmetic operation being performed. And this is the exception handling we are doing. Some if it occurs during division, then it shouldn't occur. So we can see here. Again, I will run this code so you will understand. Definitely dictionary is not defined because we have removed some part of the code. Again, enter your name. It is being called in the main. I will enter two numbers, but now I will enter purposely 0. So to see if exception handling is working or not. So error cannot divide by 0. So this is where now it will go, where the try block will contain the code that is causing the exception, and this will uh, tell us that yes, there is an exception. We can't divide by 0. So moving here towards the list, we were able to add it. We now it is asking us to enter the new fruit. Enter the new fruit. But is it there? If it has been called, yes, the list operation function has been called. We just need to define here. I will explain you what main function does, but we need to add our function name in the main function so it gets run. Mango. So see here, you can see here updated fruit list mango. Now this is giving us directly updated fruit list. We need to remove banana if banana in fruits, else print banana not in list. Now, have you looked how it works? I will show you. Now you understood this, how this two function works. Let's move towards the list operational function. Now the first is it is asking us to add, so it is going to get added. But but here is but. If banana, just we need to remove it. If no, then we will print no banana, but there is banana. So the updated list will not contain banana. See here. The updated list is not containing banana. The cherry has shifted one index before and mango has acquired the index which cherry was using. So hope this got cleared. So that got cleared. Now, now we will add our remaining code here. Now the dictionary operation is covered here. Now, dictionary would help us to modify and access data. A dictionary of student is created and key value, key value, key value. Now, it will print the student data. Now, if we want to add or update the dictionary, here I am using the key to update the age to 22 and add the city now to New York. Now, we will see the updated dictionary, but it will work only if it has been called in the main. So dictionary operation you can see here, yes, it has been called in the main. See this function has been, it has been given a call in the main, otherwise it won't work. I will add some random fruit. Dictionary operation is not defined, it is saying, but we had looked where it has been. Yeah, I failed to save that program. So ABC, you understood. I will add some random fruit. Now here we have the student data, this updated student data, where now this see here age is updated to 22 and we added New York here. So moving forward towards the last operation being called loop operations. Function demonstrating loops operation. Now, for loop we have did here, which will definitely prints number 1 to 5. Okay, and while loop counts down from 5, and exception handling has been done for divide by 0 here. So that's it. We have covered loops, function, list, dictionaries, exception handling, typecasting all in one program. And now you can write complete Python program with confidence. The next video will start definitely with oops, learn about classes, objects and inheritance. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, comment. Python mastered if you complete this tutorial.